Meaning of emboss.
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 Emboss. Emboss is a graphic design technique that creates a raised or 3D effect on an image or text. This effect is achieved by creating shadows and highlights on the edges of the image or letters to create an illusion of depth. When an image or text is embossed, it appears to pop out of the page. Embossing can be used to add texture and dimension to designs and is commonly used in printing, packaging, and branding. The result is a visually striking and tactile design that stands out and grabs attention.